What this mean?
The triangle, it's the symbol for fire.
Symbol for fire.
Yeah, not Illuminati. Saus pedas rasa nanas, sama saus pedas rasa cabai hijau.
Okay.
Ini benar-benar unique product, ya. It's like a Western sauce again. Daripada kan Mexican restaurants, this that, tapi tertarik ke Indonesia. Saya punya ponakan 3, kembar 3. Kembar tiga.
Wow.
I never told you about them.
No.
So these guys are now 24 years old, umur baru 24. Kembar 3 lahir di sini di Indonesia. Ada satu sekarang lagi kerja di Kanada, udah lulus. Satu kerja di Bali, udah lulus dari Kanada. Dan satu tinggal di Jakarta. Yang satu tinggal di Jakarta, he has cerebral palsy. It's something you're born with that affects motor skill. Aku bikin saus ini untuk dia. 3 birds. That's right.
Oh,
With the whole, Rastafari, Bob Marley, right? 3 birds,
Warnanya,
3 little birds. That's right. And you see the design again on the top. We got Lion of Judah, Rastafari. Terus ada 3 burung. This is a very special brand. It means a lot to us. Nesta, his social media, bro, forget about it. I'll share it with you. Nesta CP Warrior. This is something, again, back to Bob Marley, 3 little birds, this and that. Don't worry about a thing. It's a whole story of music, love. Zubin is a musician, dia nyanyi. Aryan, artist, photographer, he's in Canada. But beautiful kids, they mean the world to me. And yeah.
Ya, kalian harus bangga punya pangman seperti ini.